No, no. What's your situation? Okay, I think we're back. Basically, I had some songs. Um, oh, what's the top one? Cool, cool, cool. Right. I guess we're working on stuff. Uh, don't worry about this. This is a pretty good question. You guys should definitely try this out. Um, anyways, okay. I was doing this question, but I actually don't want to do that question because it's kind of troublesome. Let's do some tree stuff, I guess. I guess we're doing trees again. Um, let's just see what this question's about. I'm gonna switch it up here and there because I don't want to get bored. So I'm gonna work on just like random stuff in DP algorithms. Then I'm gonna do project Euler or Euler, whatever you want to call it. They have some problems over here. There's questions over here as well. So I can do this. I can also do codeforces. So yeah, we have a lot of things we can do just to switch it up, not to stay bored. Um. Anyways, I'll start out with this. Given the roots of two binary trees, root and subroot, return true if there's a subtree of root with the same structure. Oh, I see. There's a subtree of root with the same structure. Again, I think this is just DFS, but okay. So we're gonna go down. We're gonna see the first one. Then we'll go down. We're like, okay, there's one here as well. I don't even know. How to put me a thing. Given the roots of two binary trees, not sure if there's a subtree. That's kind of. So how do you know if it's the same thing? Is it just the value? The value is the same. So it could be here as well. It could just be 412 over here. Okay. So this is obviously DFS. Okay. For these kind of questions, I don't know if we need. Let me just again, guys. Don't come at me for trying to use a lot of AI. Well, I'm just trying to like not spend too much time. I mean, eventually I'll have to, but I think this is the strat for me. Anyways, for most, It's gonna work. I see. Okay. So if it's a DFS, I guess we can have a. So what are we trying to do here? We're just trying to go through and do DFS. If we see a node with the same value as a subroot's root, we can start, right? And then as long as everything after that is the same, we can just kind of say, okay, this works. So it's kind of like, yeah, no, we definitely need a helper function. Um, this is the general way you do. This is general way you do. This is just return here, and then we DFS root, right? Left here. So this works, but then now, so this is just general BFS, DFS, right? Yeah. So, okay, wait. Oh, we want to like print out the value probably. Actually, we can just print out the value. Like, okay, for example, right? This is probably an inefficient way to do this, but let me just try this for a second. Let me just return false. Okay, well, we can say, the hell, man? I can't type. Whoa. So, and then we're kind of just saying, this is gonna print out everything, right? So let's just do this and see what happens. Okay, so now we're gonna, oh, oops, there's a pointer, I forgot about that. Okay, so we're getting 3, 5. Oh, okay. Let's do this again. Um, we get 3, 4, 1, 2, 5. And then we get 4, 1, 2. Perfect. We can kind of just do this as like an array problem, I think. I guess we need to have an external. We can have like this int val over here. And we can say, we can just kind of say val equals root val. And then we can say DFS root. And then say if val equals subroot val, then we can say we start a DFS on, hmm, We can. I think this is just better. Maybe I'm back. We just need, for example, in this scenario, this is going to be 4, 1, 2, 0, 5, right? How do we differentiate between 4, 1, 2, 0 and just 4, 1, 2, 5? Like, how do you know it's up and left? No, it's going to go all the way here. It's going to go 0. Okay. Wait, in this case, DFS is going to go 0 to. Wait, let me go to the other one. We've had this. This is going to go 3, 4, 1, 2, 0. Oh, it is going that way. I thought it's going to go to the deepest one. I was going to go to the deepest left one. Okay, so basically what we want to do is the moment we start here, we want to start another DFS. I guess, okay, an inefficient way would be just yanking this and kind of just doing it again. This is like DFS2, root 2, I guess. It doesn't really matter. These are different. And we can just print this and say, this is 2, right? And say the moment, but actually we can't do that. This is dumb. Yeah, we can't do that. This has to be within this function, I guess. We have to do a thing where like we're doing DFS, right? And then val gets this runs this whole thing, whatever. Then it goes to the if statement. Okay. I guess we can have this like, okay, I guess what we could do, say subroot like this. I guess we should just start and say, um, if val equals start, then what we could do is we can run another DFS. I don't know. I guess we do subroot or extortion. I could kind of see it, but I kind of don't see it at the same time. Okay. Okay. We can do a start, and then we basically say, um, if the thing is start, right? What the heck? What do we do here? We somehow have to update the start value, and it has to be the same every time. I hate recursion. Oh, it's so hard to think. It's so convoluted. I'm going to use this. If the value is this, we're continuing the DFS, right? But from now on, we want to check if the value is the same as the subroot's DFS. Actually, you know what? I think we could just do the previous idea. I think that just works better. I don't think it even increases complexity that much. We could just say value equals null pointer. I guess we can say like -1 because this is an int. Can this be -1? It's negative. Damn it. Okay. What's a value I can say? No, like how do I indicate that this is a null value? Okay, wait. So I can't do a negative value or something to indicate that. Can I do null? Like I guess I can do this. Okay. If it's equal, we have to do another DFS routine. We have to have parallel DFS. That's the only way to do this in my mind. Is it parallel DFS? I mean, that's all I can think of. Or you could do this with BFS as well, I guess. Now that I think about it. Okay, this can work. Think about how you can compare two trees to check if they're identical, then apply that tree to the person with them, you know. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but consider using DFS, okay. How you can compare two trees to check if they're identical, then apply that logic first of them. Ooh, it's a decent hint actually. How would I check if two things are just identical straight up? Let's just say we're given 4 1 2 4 1. How do I check if they're identical? Oh, maybe. Bro, what? Okay, wait. So if you go, pancake food, sailors make the ladies rock. Nothing else. How do I actually compare if these two trees are equal? How do you check if two trees are equal? I don't even know how to do this. Okay, I guess how did I do? Guess I don't even need this for this. Yeah, I guess I don't even need this. Yeah. Ah, wait, right. Yeah, not equal to. What is this song? Low P? This is not right. Okay, both of them are non. Yeah, I was right here. Oh, oh, this is just checking if two of them are equal. Right. Now we need to check if they. But this is a subgroup question. So I just need to tweak this a little bit. Ah, how do I do this? This is how you check if they're both equal. Now you need to go for the lower one. So I need another one. Am I sure this question much harder than I thought? Subsame. Um, any subtree. Ah, this is too difficult. Fuck. How is this an easy question? I don't know. Fixed. Ah, so if the trees are identical but fixed, the function serves root, and at each node use identical tree checker to see if the subroot. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. Huh? Your device is okay. Instead, integrate the subtree checking logic for each node in root. Check if the subtree rooted at that node is identical. Okay. Okay, if we're reached root subroot. What? What the heck? How am I supposed to figure this out? What the heck is subtree? I don't get it. I'm gonna have to look at this one again and come back. I don't get this at all. Yeah, I don't get this. I'm not gonna submit this. This kind of makes sense, but what is this? So, 4 point? Yeah. I kind of get it. I don't know. I need to watch more videos on this. Also, I don't know. This is an easy problem as well. I'm getting cooked. I'm gonna do like problem on something else and I don't know.